Welcome back for my final morning report analysis video on Wednesday, 1st of August with me, which pro market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's have a look at gold, which, again, another market in this sort of sideways consolidation. Very quiet moves in the last sort of couple of weeks, really. They're very slight downside drift, which is sort of flanking, I suppose, to an extent, this downtrend channel. But this downtrend channel is sort of creaking and coming under pressure, trading above the channel today. That channel comes in at 12.21, trading at 12.23.50 at the moment. And it's interesting that there are sort of hints at the possibility of a recovery. I mean, I'm looking at the MACD lines mainly here. RSI is basically still going sideways between 30 and 40. But we are breaking that downtrend channel, which again, as I said, is interesting. Can the market sort of decisively start to sort of move sideways and hold a break of that channel? There is a drift lower, but every time you sort of get below the 1220 mark, you see the buyers coming in on an intraday basis and closing back above 1220. So it seems as though that there's no real appetite or desire to sort of sustainably get the market below 1220. So that's okay, but there is a big overhead supply still 1236 that is preventing the recovery. 1228 was yesterday's high. The market fell back from there, and that it leaves us an initial initial resistance today. If you look at these sort of hourly chart, between 30 and 70 on the hourly RSI, that is very much ranging conditions and sort of reflected in the sort of increasingly benign MACD lines. So yeah, we're sort of trading sideways still, looking for direction. You might get direction off the Fed tonight. I'm not expecting too much fun to come out of the Fed meeting, but there is obviously that possibility. But for now, the market is moving sideways, and that is on the brink of breaking this downtrend channel. I mean, ultimately, what does that mean? Not a great deal, because you've still got the overhead supply coming at 1236, which is key now, near to medium term. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later.